Okay, we've locked Rachel in with the 3 most vicious animals we could find. Here they are. Bo and Amigo, and there's Jimmy. Now what she's gonna do is she's gonna train these wild Mustangs, these dangerous Brumbies that no man has ever touched before, except to put their halters on. Can she do it? Okay. The paint wasn't that difficult. Alright.
He just went off on a tangent.
Let's see if she can incite them.
Stir the pot, amigo. Always stirring the pot.
Ooh, guy. Bo's like, yes. There we go. Hey, Jimmy. Oh, Bo. You get in trouble.
That was good. He got stuck behind Jimmy. He was like, oh, I just... Did you make him change direction on purpose?
No. We actually tried to get Amigo, but maybe he's not
Jim's like, nope.
Jim's just cut in the corner. He just runs across the middle. He's like, I have to go all the way around.
Whoa, Jimmy! Woohoo! Go, Jimmy!
He totally cut the... Well, Amigo almost fell. Look, there's some new horses that are interested in what's going on.
Yeah.
Jim stopped eating.
And again. Well, 1 out of 3 is pretty good. See what the other wild ones are doing. Uh-oh. Save me, Rachel! Save me! Oh, no!
I wonder if he'll put...
Oh, wait. Your mouth is dangerous. Ow.
You did your part. I think
I'm taller than you are.
Hi, guy.
Let's go.
Whoa! Bo, you're in the way. Watch out for your feet, Mark.
Yeah, I see it.
This is Play-Doh himself.
Is it?
Yeah. Whoa, she's calmed that horse and she can lead him by the tail. Oh. Watch out, Rachel. You've got a bogey. Alright, 2 out of 3. Where's the wild bird? Don't go near him.
Look at how he's wildly eating that.
Hi, Bo. Oh, you're gonna eat my camera. Cute.
why are you still filming?
Rachel, you could get Jimmy now, look.